As a cyber-first gold college with excellent facilities and resources, Coleg Gwent is a fantastic place to study if you have a passion for technology. You can study ICT, computing, digital technology, game development, or cybersecurity in our fully equipped IT suites and cyber labs throughout the college. Choosing a course in IT, cyber and digital technology means you can study a wide range of topics, from social media, digital graphics and building a website, to programming, ethical hacking and coding. Our hands-on courses incorporate the most up-to-date knowledge and skills for a successful career in IT, with courses developed and delivered in collaboration with leading employers like Admiral, Fujitsu and Thales. Your learning will be tailored to the needs of local employers, making you work-ready when you leave college. You learn through practical experiences, taking part in live projects, compete in skills competitions, and you'll have a chance to gain relevant work experience in line with your chosen career aspiration. Find out more about computing and digital technology courses via our course search or register now for our next open event. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.